Hello, myself, Mr. Krishna Pawar, the lecturer of mathematics in Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. Today, we are going to discuss the strategy of mathematics for NDA examination. In the selection process of NDA examination, first you have to go for the written examination. In the written examination, there are two papers. The first paper of mathematics. In mathematics, there are 120 questions. Each question carry 2.5 marks. There is a penalty 1/3 for each question. That means 0.83 marks will be reduced if one question is wrong. And the total duration for this examination for mathematics paper is 2.5 hours and total marks are 300. The second paper is general ability test. It contains 150 questions. Each question carry the 4 marks. Here also the penalty is 1/3. That means 1.33 marks will be reduced if one question is wrong. And the total duration for this paper is also 2.5 hours and total marks are 600. So total marks for the written examinations 300 plus 600, that means 900 marks. And after the qualification of written examination, you have to go for the SSB interview, and SSB interview contains 900 marks. Now we are going to see the subject wise weightage. So first subject is mathematics. We already seen that there is a separate paper of mathematics. It contains the 120 questions. Each question carry the 2.5 marks and total marks 300. The second paper, there are next subjects are there. First subject is English. There will be asked 50 questions on English. Each question carry the 4 marks and the total marks for the English is 200. Next subject is physics. There are 25 questions. Each question carry the 4 marks and the total marks are 100. Chemistry. In chemistry, there will 15 questions will be asked. Each question carry the 4 marks and the total marks are 60. Next subject is general science. In general science, 10 questions will be asked. Each question carry the 4 marks and the total marks are 40. And after that, the last subject is general knowledge. In general knowledge, there will be the history, geography, political science and GK, general knowledge. Total questions will be 50, will ask 50, and each question carry the 4 marks. Total marks are 200. So these are the subject wise weightage of 900 marks. Now we are going to see the chapter wise weightage. So first, name of topic, number of questions, mark, average and weightage in percentage. So first, algebra. On algebra, 20 to 22 questions will be asked. That means average marks for the algebra are 50 to 55 marks, and in percentage wise weightage is 17.66. So next topic is matrices and determinants. On matrices and determinants, 8 to 10 questions will be asked, and the average marks for the matrices and determinants are 20 to 25 and the percentage 7.66. Next topic is trigonometry. On trigonometry, 20 to 22 questions will be asked. The average marks for the trigonometry 50 to 55 marks and the percentage of that syllabus is 17.66. So next, fourth, analytical geometry of the 2 and 3 dimension. On that syllabus, 18 to 20 questions will be asked. So average marks for that one is 45 to 50 marks and percentage of that syllabus is 18.64. Now fifth, differential, integral calculus and differential equation. So on this syllabus, 24 to 26 questions will be asked, and the total marks, average marks for this syllabus is 60 to 65, and percentage of syllabus 22.77%. So next, vector algebra. On vector algebra, 8 to 10 questions will be asked. Total average marks of vector algebra 20 to 25, and percentage of this syllabus will cover 7.66. Next, last one, statistics and probability. On statistics and probability, 10 to 12 questions will be asked, and the average marks for this one is 25 to 30, and syllabus cover the 9.33%. Now, so chapter wise weightage in percentage. Here the pie chart is given. According to this pie chart, we will get the idea of the topics that are important in the NDA examination. Now the syllabus, detailed syllabus for the mathematics for NDA examination. The first topic is algebra. In algebra, the number of chapters that cover this syllabus are the set relation function, complex number, logarithm, set, sequence and series, permutation combination, linear inequation, quadratic equation, and the binary numbers. So these are the chapters which cover the syllabus of algebra. These all points will be covered on that chapter. Next is the matrices and determinants. So on matrices and determinant, the syllabus is types of matrices, operation on matrices, determinants of matrices, basic properties of determinants, adjoint and inverse of square matrix, application solution of the system of linear equation into variable or three unknowns by Cramer rule, and the matrix methods. Next, trigonometry. In trigonometry, the syllabus covers angles and their measures in degrees, in radians, trigonometrical ratios, trigonometric identities, sum and difference formulae, multiple, submultiple angles, inverse trigonometric function, application in height and distances, and properties of triangle. So these are the portions. This is the syllabus of trigonometry. It will cover in the 4 to 5 chapters of 11th. So these are the total. Now the fourth, analytical geometry for 2 and 3 dimensional geometry. In 2 and 3 dimensional geometry, so total syllabus will be cover coordinate geometry, straight lines, pair of straight line, circle, parabola, ellipse, and hyperbola. So this is a 2-dimensional geometry, and in 3-dimensional geometry, so line, plane, and sphere. So these are the chapters which cover all the syllabus of 2D and 3D. Now differential calculus. In differential calculus, so this syllabus will be covered in the chapter limit, continuity and differentiation, application of differentiation, and integral application of differentiation, and the next is the integral calculus. In integral calculus and differential equation, so indefinite integration, definite integration, and application of definite integration. So indefinite integration has the inverse of differentiation, integration by substitution, by parts, standard integrals involving algebraic expression, trigonometric and exponential hyperbolic functions, equation of definite integral, determination of area of plane region bounded by the curves, application. In application, the definition of order and degree of differential equation, formation of differential equation by the examples, and the general and particular solution of differential equation. The solution of the first order and the first degree of differential equation of various types, examples, application in particular problems like as growth and decay. Now the vector algebra. In vector algebra, the vector in 2 and 3 dimension, magnitude and direction of vectors, unit and null vectors, addition of vectors, scalar multiplication of vectors, scalar product, dot product of two vectors, and vector product and cross product of two vectors. Application: work done by the force and the moment of force and the geometrical problems. Now, eighth, statistics and probability. In statistics, classification of data, frequency distribution, cumulative frequency distribution. Examples: geometrical representation by histogram, pie chart, frequency polygon. Examples: the measure of central tendencies, mean, median and mode, variance and the standard deviation, determination and the comparison, correlation and the regression, probability. The syllabus of probability contain random experiment, outcomes, associates, sample space, events, mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, impossible and the certain events, union and intersection of events, complementary, elementary and the composite events. Definition of probability, classification and statistics, statistical examples. Elementary theorem on probability, simple problems, conditional probability, Bayes theorem, simple problem, random variable as a function on sample space, binomial distribution. Examples of random experiment giving rise to the binomial distribution. Now you can contact us. Please contact on our email number is mvkp.dca@gmail.com. You can contact us on these three numbers, and also you can visit our websites which is given here. Thank you for watching my video.